So this video is about adding cover art for a book to a Wikipedia Infobox that lacks such an illustration. The policies on image use are described on this Wikipedia page, image use policy. The issues are around copyrighted material, which book cover art will be in almost all cases. So we have a Wikipedia article here about a book called I Drink for a Reason by David Cross. The info box here, we do not see any illustration of the cover art, so let's see if we can fix that. First, we need to get the cover art. Amazon is often a convenient location for this kind of product. I'm using a Firefox browser, so I can right-click on my mouse and be offered this context menu that includes take a screenshot. So I will do that, and just hovering over the book image, it gets highlighted. I could click and drag if I wanted a more specific part of that, but I'm going to go ahead and left click on this, and I will then download that image. You can see the image size here is given as 292 by 451 pixels. Wikipedia indicates that there isn't a hard and fast size limit, but they seem to recommend about 250 by 400 pixels for this kind of application. So we're going to download this and then open it in. It appears here in my downloaded files, and it'll be in my folder for downloaded files. I'm going to open that with the native Windows Photo application. And in this app, I'm offered the option of this menu here, which will allow me to resize the image. I'm going to go ahead and change the width to 250 pixels, and that'll automatically scale down the height to 385, and Wikimedia should be happy with that. That'll give me a chance to save this in my pictures folder. I'll close this. Now we need to go back to the Wikipedia page. I drink for a reason. So now we have on the left menu that includes contribute options. We're going to choose upload file. And here we're presented with a wizard to upload files. In this case, we're going to be uploading a non-free file, that is to say one that is copyrighted. And that presents us with the various steps required to do this. First, we'll browse to the file and tell it where to find it. That's going to be in my pictures folder. And then I need to provide a clear descriptive name by which this file will be known on Wikipedia. So we'll call this cover art for I Drink for a Reason, with PNG for an extension. Then we'll move down here and provide a more complete description, although pretty much just the title name is sufficient. So now I'll be continuing down here with the tab key to see more options in the upload wizard. I'm going to check this button here. This is a copyrighted non-free work, but I believe it is fair use. So the fair use doctrine allows us to use this copyrighted material. And here it goes through the points that I'm going to have to indicate to support that. So First we need to tell it which article we're going to be using it for, and this has to be properly spaced and case sensitive. And checks to make sure I got that right. I'd get an error message here if I had not typed that in exactly right. Now down here I'm allowed to check a button that says this is the official cover art of a work. And then we'll tab down further. And let's see, we're going to select that this is the cover page of a book. The author is David Cross. Date of publication. I'm going to switch back over to the Wikipedia page and see that's August 31, 2009. Back to the upload wizard, 31 August 2009. Where did I get this file from? I'm going to go back over to Amazon and Control C to copy the URL, then back to the upload wizard. I'll paste that here and check that this will be shown as a primary means of visual identification at the top of the article dedicated to the work in question. So we're going to move down to, in view of this, please explain how the use of this file will be minimal. This is a crucial piece of information to justify fair use. So we're going to say this is a low resolution image, 250 by 385 pixels, which will be used only once in the info box at the top of the article about this book. Now upload this file to Wikimedia Commons. Switch back to the Wikipedia article and click Edit. Here we have the Infobox data right up at the top, and you can see the entry for image is blank. That's why there's no image there. We're going to paste that image file there, and that should, with any luck, give us the image. Here we'll indicate that the changes are to add cover art to the info box. And we'll show the preview here, see if that worked. So it did. And we can go ahead and publish the changes, and our job is done. So I hope you find this helpful in setting up cover art for books in the info box of the articles for those books.